Hello, it's Jodie here. In this short video, I just want to show you exactly where to get your share link so that if you're wanting either myself or Nat or somebody else to have a look at your bots, then you don't need to actually do screenshots or anything. You can just get the share link. And I'll also show you how to turn your demo bots off as well, unless you're wanting to share your demo bots as well as your live bots. So basically here in Bitsgap, straight underneath the grid, there is a button here that says Share and Earn. So this is the one that we will click on, and it brings up an option to say, do you want to actually share and earn? So there is a chance of getting affiliate links there, but it's not really about the affiliate thing. We just want people to be able to see the bot. So you can just click on or toggle on to sharing on. And then it gives you a link here. So you actually just copy that link, and that's the link that anyone can go and have a look at what your bots are doing. So one thing that happens is that if you have demo bots running, it will generally show up the live bots and the demo bots. So you just need to do the same thing. The screen's a little bit larger here. Let me just move the screen down and just flick over to your demo bots and then scroll down, and it's actually in the same place. So it's just underneath. It says share and earn. Now this particular account doesn't have any demo bots here, but you have the exact same experience where if you are wanting to turn the demo bots off, you flick it off or turn it on. So if you want to, you can literally share your bots with both demos and live by having both of them turned off, or just share your live ones or just your demo ones by turning one or the other off. So just go into both sides. So that's all I wanted to show you. I'm sure you know how to actually get your demos, which is up here. Flick it back over, and that's it. Go get your link and share it with whoever it is you're wanting to share it. We'll see you in the next video.